Hello and good morning slash afternoon slash whatever it is for you guys. It's a beautiful rainy day outside, so we're not gonna do any of the stuff outside that I had planned because I just don't want to. Instead, we're gonna be working on this. This is I'm guessing 86. I'm gonna guess 86. How right am I? Have no idea because the date's not on the door placard anymore. 89. Gosh, I was close. 89 F150. And what is happening is both tanks are very bad, but we only have the stuff to do the rear one. So we're going to drop the rear tank, put a new sending unit in it. Well, we're going to put a new rear tank in and a new sending unit and whatever else we find back there so that we can actually drive it, because fun stuff. Last time I drove it, it just shut off in town and nobody told me that it had bad fuel tanks in it. So we're gonna take care of that. Watch it just start right up now though, with no problem. The blower motor sounds pretty great, but look at that, no issues at all. Yeah, so there she is. We're gonna pull her in and start working on her. All right, we got her all backed in the shop. I was gonna drive it in, and then I realized, why do that when you can back it in and put it on ramp? It looks like we've got 4 bolts for the straps. I don't know if they're welded at the top or not. We'll find out. There's 2 more bolts on that side. And then we also have the filler neck, which we'll probably just undo that hose clamp, see if we can get the hose off of there. And then the fuel lines, yeah, we're gonna have to get something to hold the tank up while I undo the fuel lines, so because they're probably on the top of the tank. I've never done one of these before, so you guys are gonna learn with me. Thing is, it is so cold outside. Look at that, it's like just over 40 degrees. We can't have that. I'm gonna die. Since it's so cold outside, we're gonna fire up the old diesel heater. First time pulled it out this year. Let's see if she works. Oh yeah, like a champ. So I let it warm up in here just a little bit, and we unpackaged all of our stuff. So I didn't order the parts for this truck. This actually isn't my truck, it's the father-in-law's. I'm just gonna probably use it a ton. So shh, don't tell him that, he doesn't know. So he ordered 2 fuel pumps, it looks like. So we probably ordered one for the front tank, which that one's all messed up too anyways. We got a new tank, Spectra fuel tank. It did come with the O-ring and the little metal deal there, which so did the fuel pumps, I believe. So that'll be nice to have extras, I suppose. And we got fuel tank vents, the vent valve, which I believe goes in right here. I could be wrong though. I don't know everything, and by don't know everything, I don't really know anything, but we're gonna find out. And also as a guest, we have Callie and Millie today, if you guys were interested. I don't know where Millie is. There she is. She's hiding over there next to the paper bag she chewed up. Alright, so here, once you get the straps off the tank and it's hanging down like this, which is kind of hard to get hanging down like this, I disconnected it right there, but that doesn't matter because there's this thing. Yeah, so that was part of the reason it was hanging up. Then you can get it hanging down like this if it's empty, and you disconnect your connector. There's no tension on the connector right now. There might be some on these fuel lines. So maybe you don't want to have it hang down like this, but I'm gonna disconnect this. There's little tabs here that you, let me see if I can get one off and show you. Right here. Without possibly breaking it. I don't know. Ooh, that one didn't break. Look at that. Once in a lifetime opportunity right there. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. It didn't break. They almost always break. You can go to AutoZone and get a whole pack of them. But yeah, that's how that comes off, and then that just slides off of there. Same with the other one. The tab for that one's at the bottom. It's probably different on yours. The tank is out. This is what the connector looks like. So we were seeing it from back here. The little tab to unlock it's on the front, which mine was so covered in dirt, couldn't see it. This is the fuel pump we're gonna use, not that one. That one must be for the other tank. This breather is this guy right here, but it does not come with new little grommets. So if you have a bad grommet, you need to order a new grommet because it doesn't come with it. Luckily, this one's not too terrible. We can clean it up. It's still spongy, so we can use it. This is the hold down ring for the fuel pump. When it came with those little plastic tabs I was talking about too, if we need them, which I'll probably use new ones, but yep. And then as you can see, everything just like that. There's plastic wrapped around this. This is your level deal right here. I don't know if you guys know how fuel pumps work. Most people do, so I won't even get into that. But okay, so the O-ring goes in, and then the fuel pump goes in, just like that. Watch for your little alignment deal to line up in there, and there's two of them. Stick my head right in the way of the camera there. Get both of your little alignment pins to line up. There we go. Just like that. Once you have it in there, then you take your lock ring. Alternate where you hit from. They're all sitting right in their little divot there, and that's where it needs to be. That filler neck is like ridiculously stupid to get in from underneath. So the way I had to do it was take it all the way out and then put the hose on. But these flanges are bigger, so you can't angle the tank the same way when you pulled it out, possibly, depending on what your fuel tank is. So it just take the filler neck all the way out, and it'll be much easier. We are all finished. We got everything put back. Got the spare tire back under there. Everything's all hooked up. There's fuel in it, and it's not leaking yet, so that's a good sign. Let's see if she starts. Prime the pump a few times. Clutch in. Look at that, no problem. Fuel gauge seems to be working. That's probably about how much I put in there. Probably, I don't know what size that tank was, but it's close, I guess. I don't know. Flip to the front tank. It moves, and then there we go. I don't want to run it on the front tank because I'm pretty sure it'll shut off. But There we go, rear tank's fixed. Now we can start driving it a little bit. Well, that's it, guys. It's in the garage, it's running, it's good. That's all we're doing on it today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.